My name is Kees Beyers, owner of Beyers Chocolates. We're here at the Johannesburg Culinary and Pastry School in Marshalltown, Johannesburg. On Saturday, the 29th of August, we are hosting a 5-course lunch where I will be making the dessert alongside the students. We really want to showcase the school. We also want to invite other chefs to come along over the next couple of weeks, maybe to do something similar, showcase their talents and do other sort of 5-course lunches here, and to show students there's still a career to be had in this industry. The hospitality industry has been so hard hit in the last couple of months. We really want to showcase this career a little bit more. So hope to see you on the 29th.